Let's read the Chinese mythology story. Nuwa Mends the sky. In ancient times, the universe existed in perfect harmony. The sky, ruled by the Jade Emperor, stretched high above the earth, and the earth, teeming with life, flourished below. However, an unforeseen catastrophe struck the celestial realm. A breach appeared in the firmament, threatening to plunge the world into chaos. As the sky ruptured, devastating consequences befell the earth. Cataclysmic storms ravaged the lands, and the balance between heaven and earth was thrown into disarray. The elements clashed violently, endangering all life. Amidst the chaos, Nuwa, a deity endowed with divine powers and immense kindness, emerged. She gazed upon the ruptured sky and the plight of the earth with great sorrow. Determined to restore harmony and save creation, Nuwa embarked on a mission to mend the celestial realm. Nuwa wielded her powers, gathering multicolored stones from the riverbeds. These mystical stones possessed extraordinary properties, representing the 5 elements: wood, fire, earth, metal, and water. With boundless determination, Nuwa melted these stones, creating a magical solution to mend the breach in the sky. Using a giant stone ruler, she measured the expanse of the torn firmament. With precise skill and unwavering determination, Nuwa worked tirelessly, patching the rifts in the sky. Each patch she made with the melted stones filled the breaches, preventing further devastation. With the sky restored, Nuwa turned her attention to the shattered earth. She molded the remaining mystical stones into clay figurines, imbuing them with life and spirit. With great care and affection, she crafted humans in her own likeness, endowing them with the breath of life. The humans Nuwa created were not mere creatures, they possessed intellect, emotions, and the ability to create. They scattered across the earth, fostering life and civilization, caring for the land Nuwa had saved and tending to one another. Nuwa's actions not only saved the celestial realm and the earth but also established a bond between the sky and humanity. She became revered as a divine mother, a creator of life, and a guardian of the cosmos. Her compassionate act of mending the sky and creating humanity left an indelible mark on the world. Nuwa's legacy served as a reminder of the balance between heaven and earth and the interconnectedness of all living beings. With the breach mended and harmony restored, peace prevailed once more. The sky shimmered with newfound radiance, and the earth flourished with renewed vitality. The humans, blessed with life by Nuwa, thrived and flourished, cherishing the gift of existence bestowed upon them. The end. Please subscribe to the Teddy Bear Storytime YouTube channel and select to receive all notification. Thank you.